Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Haute Bella experience. In today's video, you guys, I'm going to be doing a chit chat get ready with me video. It's been a while since you guys have heard from me, so I wanted to talk about what's been going on and also talk about the direction of which I think this channel should go going forward. So I'm going to take you guys from the beginning to the end. I'm going to show you guys how we went from this to this. So I hope you guys continue to keep watching. All right, you guys, we are truly going to be multitasking today. So I've got to get my hair done and I've got to do my makeup. So I'm going to a gender reveal today. So I want a soft glam type of look. So again, I've got to do this like from the top to the bottom, all the way across the board. But I wanted to have a chit chat with you guys while I'm getting ready. Before I start with my hair, I am going to go ahead and apply some of these Everything is Better in Pink eye masks. This is from Grace and Stella. So I'm going to go ahead and get those on, and I'll leave those on while I'm doing my hair. Eye mask are on, so I'm going to get started with this hair. So you guys have probably noticed that I haven't been posting as much as I normally would, right? And it seems like since December of last year up to this point, life has just been going. I've had so many things happen since the month of December, and they've all been good things, good positive things, but they have taken away a little bit from my video upload time. So I definitely wanted to get a video up for you guys, and I wanted to use this time, like I said, to just kind of chit chat with you guys about some things that I've been thinking about. And for the record, for my hair, I am going to use this wig from RPG Wig. I purchased this wig, I know, probably 3 years ago. RPG Wigs has some really high quality wigs. So if you're interested in adding a high quality wig to your wig collection, RPG Wig is a good place to go to find that. They've got all styles. You guys know that these wig brands have everything that you could possibly ask for. And then today, instead of gluing this unit down, I am actually going to use an adhesive spray. Normally, if I were going on vacation, I would glue my units down. This is not a vacation, so I really don't have to wear this wig for, several days. I only want to wear it for today. So I'm going to be using the Eben Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray for that. So yeah, a lot of things have been going on. I do want to get caught up on my videos. So my March BoxyCharm box has arrived. I just have not yet had a chance to do the unboxing. That's going to be coming your way here really soon. But girl, it's a lot going on with BoxyCharm these days, so we are definitely going to have to talk about that here really soon. I'm going to get that BoxyCharm video recorded probably later on today, so I'll try to get that up for you guys as soon as possible, I promise. I've been doing BoxyCharm videos now for quite some time, and I asked you guys a while ago if that's something that you wanted to continue to see, and your feedback was yes, and I've been trying to really hang on to that, right? But I don't know, with all the buzz that's going on about BoxyCharm these days, I'm not sure how much further I want to go, or I should go with, with the whole subscription box video uploads. But again, we're going to talk about that in a little bit more detail in a different video. I'm getting off track here. So I need to get this wig on. From the beginning of the Haute Bella Experience YouTube channel, you guys know that I have mainly been talking about beauty products. I've also did some wig installs here. I've done mostly beauty related things, and that has served me well. My BoxyCharm unboxing videos still prove to be videos that get me the most views most of the time, consistently, I'll say. But I want to change it up a little bit, and I want to maybe change this channel from just a beauty type of channel to more of maybe a beauty and lifestyle type of channel. There are lots of other things I'd like to be able to share with you guys here. My husband and I, we travel quite a bit, so I want to be able to throw some of those in on this channel every now and again. I've done that a time or two, but I'd like to do a little bit more of that. I also just want to be able to talk to you guys about whatever I want to talk to you guys about, right? I don't want you to feel like, the only time when you come to this channel is when you want to see makeup or, hear news about makeup and things like that. I want it to be all things related to the Haute Bella experience. And the whole concept of the name Haute Bella experience came from the thought that I have when I think about beauty at my age, lifestyle at the age point, or at the point in life that I am right now. And I know that as we mature, there are things that we have to do differently with our makeup in order for it to work for us. I tried to share that with you guys, but there's a lot of other things I'd like to share on this channel. So I think I am going to keep the Hot Bella Experience name on this channel, but I'll just change up some of the sub-content, right? Where it's not just going to be just makeup related things. It's going to be all things beauty, all things lifestyle. It's going to be the beauty and lifestyle of a mature makeup enthusiast. I'm hoping that it'll help me to get a little bit more movement on this channel, and I'm hoping that it'll also help me to stay engaged, because my life is not just, you know, makeup, right? You know, I'm not necessarily at this point always going to go out and purchase everything because it's a new release, right? If I don't feel that it has a place in my makeup collection, I'm not going to buy it, right? So, you know, I mean, I just want to be able to share other things with you guys. So let me know what your thoughts are about that. You know, it is a change that's coming, but I do want to know that my existing subscribers are still going to stick with me, right? I don't want you to leave just because, you know, you see that I'm doing a couple of travel videos or because I'm doing some other things here on this channel. I still want you guys to stick around and see what's going on with the Hot Bella Experience channel. You guys see me doing my brows. I got my brows microbladed. I did the ombre brow. And you guys are probably wondering, if you've gotten your brows done, why are you still doing them? It's because I like to have them a little bit darker. I still like to have them a little bit darker. But I will say that having them microbladed or having the ombre brows, it just gives me a guide to go by. I just trace over what's already there just to darken it up. And I do this only when I am wearing makeup. If I'm not wearing makeup, then they're dark enough. But if I'm wearing makeup, I want them a little bit darker. All right, so my hair is done, my brows are done. I am now prepping my eyelids. I'm going to go ahead and remove my little under eye patches here. These feel so good. They are cooling and they just really make my under eye area feel really, really good. I'm using my P. Louise eyeshadow base to prep my eyelids. And I am going to use the Empowered palette from Huda Beauty today for my eye look. I have not used this palette, you guys. It's just been sitting here on my desk forever, it seems like. I didn't put it away because that was a reminder for me to use it. And I said I wanted a soft glam, easy, breezy type of look here. So I'm going to try to do just that. I'm going to try to keep the shades to a minimum on my eyelid because, you know, I can go up to 4 eye shades on my lids. I can go kind of crazy sometimes. I just pulled out this little highlighter right here. This is a small highlighter from Becca. This is in the shade Opal, just a regular highlighter. And I'm going to plop this right on top just to give me just a little bit of shimmer right at the highest part of my brow bone. I really hate that Becca is no longer around. I really liked the products that came from Becca, especially their highlighters, you know? They had some really, really good highlighters. I've got quite a few of them in my collection and I plan on using them until they're all gone. We're going back to the Empowered palette. I'm going to use this shade right here. This shade is called Best Self, and I'm going to use this as my transition shade. I'm going to go into this shade right here. This shade is called Do It. Now this is a shimmer shade, so here I go, right? I said that I was going to make this a simple, easy, breezy look, and here I am adding shimmer shades and all that other kind of stuff to my lids, but we're just going to do it. No pun intended, but I'm going to use this shade. She's pretty though. She's definitely pretty. Very pretty, very simple. And I think for my outer V, I'm going to use this shade right here. This shade is called Confident. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this. This is a beautiful eggplant type of shade. I'm just going to take a little bit, pop it right here on the outer V, and sweep it into the crease. But what do you guys think about lifestyle type channels, right? Do you tend to watch videos that are more focused on specific content, or do you watch videos specifically for the content creator because you like their personality? Or are you like me? I watch videos of all types from different content creators. It just depends on what my interests are or what my research leads me to at that point in time, you know? This is really pretty. Very soft, not too much. All right. I think that's going to be it. I'm going to add my liner and my lashes and I'll be right back. My lashes are done. My liner is done. I decided to go with the Flesh Tone liner in my waterline. I used a liner pencil from MAC And I used a brown liner for my upper lid, and I used this brown gel eyeliner from Melt. It's in the shade Spliff. So I'm going to move on to my complexion. So I'm going to apply my concealer. I'm using concealers from Juvia's Place. I've had these in my collection for a while, so I want to use them. Ooh, I'm running a little bit behind. I did not do any color correcting today. I don't know. It seems like these days, in my opinion, so many of the products, they're starting to look like things that I already have. If I already have it, why buy it again? I know sometimes it's just the fear of missing out. I know I experience FOMO from time to time. My Sephora cart right now is pretty light. I'm gonna just blend just a little bit with my sponge. Very nice. I'm using my Danessa Myricks Power Bronzer. You know, I upload more videos here on YouTube than I post Instagram posts. And I know some people may think that if you are trying to be considered as a for real content creator, that you need to post on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, all those different places. I mainly post to YouTube, and every now and again I will make a post on Instagram. I'm getting better, trying to get better at making more frequent posts on Instagram. What do you guys think about that? Are you guys more avid YouTube video watchers or more Instagram post watchers? Or is there a combination of both? And is there one that you prefer over the other? If so, I'd be curious to know that, and also tell me why. Why do why would you prefer looking at Instagram posts over YouTube videos? Today, since I am very quickly running out of time, I am going to airbrush my complexion. I have a different airbrush foundation from Temptu, and I wanted to try that out anyway. You guys have seen me use foundation from Temptu. I'm normally using the foundation from them, which has a natural matte type finish. The foundation that I'm going to use today has more of a natural finish, so I'm going to try that out. But before I do that, I'm going to add a little bit of my cream highlighter here. I like doing this because I like how this shows underneath my foundation. It looks really nice underneath. So I'm going to do this. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is their Liquid Glow. It is in the shade Peach Fizz. You guys have seen me use this numerous times. Love it. But you can see how it gives you just that little natural kind of glow in there. So now I'm going to airbrush my foundation. One of the things I love about applying my concealer, contour, and some other complexion products first before applying my foundation is that it requires less foundation. Alright, foundation is done. All of my cream products have been applied, and it's time for me to do some setting. So I am going to set my under eye. I am going to use this shade right here, which is almost gone. I do have a replacement. I do have a backup for this, but this is from my oldie but goodie Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Powder Kit. It's in medium tan. Is that right? Is that right? Yes, it's in medium tan. This shade is called Peaches and Cream. I'm going to use some of this, and I am also going to mix a little bit of this shade in with this. And I'm using this little sponge applicator here. I've gone through various application tools when it comes to setting my under eye area. I've used a brush, I've used just my regular foam wedge. So I'm going to try this out and see how this works. I like the fact that it does have that pointed angle up in there that helps me get right into that corner. I like that. So I'm just going to pat this in for right now, very gently. I still may have to go over it with a brush, but we'll see. I picked these up from Amazon. This is really pretty. I'm really liking how this looks. Very nice. I'm going to set my entire face, and I'm going to use my Prisme Libre powder from Givenchy. If you haven't seen this before, this is what this powder looks like. There's actually 4 different shades of powder in this container. So I've got a little bit here in my cap. I'm going to start off with this little bit first. The foundation that I used is supposed to be a natural finish, so I'm just going to use just a little powder, right? I don't want to mat it down too much because that just kind of defeats the purpose of using a natural finish foundation if you're going to mat it out. And I'm going to pause right now and I'm going to melt all of this in. I've got my powders all applied and everything. I don't want a powdery look, so I'm going to use a little bit of my MAC Fix Plus first, and then I'm going to use a little bit of my Caudalie Beauty Elixir. And for my blush, I am going to be using a blush from Pat McGrath Labs. It's in the shade Desert Orchid. This is what this looks like. And I figured that this would go really well with this soft look that I'm trying to create here. I don't want it to be overpowering. So this is a really nice color. I love this. And for my lips today, I think I am going to return to my Gucci lipstick. This is in the shade Agatha Orange. And I figured that that would play really well with this. This is really a natural soft look. I'm wearing black, so I figured that maybe the Agatha Orange would be a nice pop of color. I didn't line my lips with any lip liner. This is such a gorgeous shade. And let's see here. The hair is done. Yes. And makeup is done. This look is done. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope that you guys continue to stick around as this channel continues to mold and morph into everything that it can be here on YouTube. So if you did like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.